Okay, so what we got here is a Hyundai Ioniq 5 2023 full electric, and what we've done is we've fully installed the Ghost II Immobiliser system. So this vehicle is now fully protected from being stolen by keyless car thieves. So when the thief gets in the vehicle, they try and start it. It does not say ready to start driving. This car will not allow you to drive. So you need to enter your PIN code, which can be fully customized to be any buttons you want. So after you enter it, the car will allow you to drive the vehicle. So at the moment we're going to set to a demo button. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 flashes from the seatbelt light. So at the moment we're going to set to a demo button. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the seatbelt will flash 2 times. You get 2 beeps from the system as well. And now you can turn it on as normal. It says ready to start driving. So without the code, you will not be able to drive this vehicle. If you want this installed on your Hyundai Ioniq, see the link down below. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel.